Hey guys, somewhere back with another video, and this time we're going to be doing a performance test between the Xiaomi Redmi 6 and the newly launched Infinix HOT S3X. But before then, please take a few seconds to hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already. Please also consider hitting the like button if you enjoyed this video. Back to the comparison. First, let's talk on the performance on these devices. The Infinix HOT S3X is powered by a quad-core Snapdragon 430 chipset with an octa-core processor clocked at 1.4 GHz, while the Xiaomi Redmi 6 is powered by a MediaTek Helio P22 processor clocked at 2.0 GHz. Both are actually 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB internal storage. Now let's proceed with the performance test on these smartphones. To be fair, we will first restart both smartphones and thereafter close all apps in the background. Prior to this video, I conducted attitude benchmarks on these devices, and while the Infinix HOT S3X scored 58,865, the Xiaomi Redmi 6 scored 75,426. For this test, I will set a timer and launch a couple of games and apps, precisely 7 of them. Immediately these apps are done loading, I will switch to another and at the end return to the timer to see how long it took to launch all these apps combined. The games and apps I will be using for this test are Instagram, PUBG Mobile, Darkness Rises, Sniper 3D, Zombie Hunter, WWE Mayhem, and Street Racing 3D. At the end of the test, it took the Infinix HOT X3X about 3 minutes 48 seconds to load all apps and games, while it took the Xiaomi Redmi 6 2 minutes and 59 seconds to load all apps. We know the obvious winner in this performance test, right? So what do you think, guys? Coming up soon is a fingerprint and face ID comparison test between both devices. If you do not want to miss this, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. That way you get notified when the video is up. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Adios.